Using checkboxes can help you stay in order with Google Sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight some of this column right here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. And wherever that's highlighted, this is where I'm going to insert. So I'm going to go ahead and click Insert and go down to Checkbox. And it put a checkbox in every single one of those cells. So I can start checking off things as I need to. But if I don't want something, I can just click Delete and it will delete whatever's highlighted. So it deleted the checkboxes. So see, I deleted a whole bunch of them at the same time. What if I want to check a whole bunch of them at the same time? So I'm going to just put a check mark in here and I'm going to drag that little box down and you'll see that all of them got checked. Ooh, that's pretty easy. So one more time, I just click a check mark in here, grab the little ball and drag it down, and it put all the check marks in there for me. That's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.